Hey, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how to actually get free credit balance on Temu with a very easy promotion that they have running all the time. Now you have to search for this in the search bar. I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. I'm going to show you this on a mobile device, and as you can see, I have 15 euros in a credit balance. And if you see all the history, I used some as well. And here you see all the current data of my credit balance. Now this is all free, and what you're going to do to actually receive this credit balance, it's very easy. Now let's say you've already made an order, or you already have a order in mind. Now you go to the top of your screen in the search bar and you're typing in Claimcredit, as you can see right here, and press search. This will open up a promotion that it's going on all the time, and here you draw once. And as you can see, I get a 2% one more chance because it's always happening. From there you draw again, and then you get 15% back, bonus back. And as you can see, what will happen is this credit will go to 30. And this actually means that if you have around 100 euros in credit with a maximum amount of 14 euros, you will get it back in credit. Now, I'm going to show you straight away. Now let's say I select all my shopping bag stuff, checkout to go to credit, and what will happen is you can see that if I pay now, I get 14 euros and 50 cents in credit in the middle of my screen. I'm going back to my credit claim, and here what will happen is the 14 euros will be available in my credit balance. Now once you've made the order, what will happen is every day you have to go back to Claimcredit to actually claim around 2 to 3 euros every day for the next 5 days, and from out there you will receive your credit, as you can see in my credit balance right here, because every day I used to get 2 to 3 euros, which you can freely spend without any restrictions. Now it is easy as that. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.